having a manufacturing summit. The point is to connect teachers with the manufacturers. We want to expose them to the manufacturing industry and show them that it's not just manufacturing, there's a wide variety of careers in manufacturing. There's really good jobs that can be where we can keep our kids local.
Workforce Development Board has put together a great day for our teachers, for our middle school teachers. Just get introduced to some of the job opportunities, the different careers that are available here locally in Lawton. We're going to have a guest speaker as well about workforce development and different things like that. And then the teachers are going to get to break up and go to 5 different manufacturing locations here in town and do a tour and see some of the different opportunities for our students.
It's good for them to know early on, at least know what their options are. I feel like they get a lot of pressure early on about education, and they think that that is the only thing that's out there is to go to college. I think it's good to know from an early on age that you don't give up if you're struggling in education, because there are options out there besides just, oh, you have to get a 4.0 and graduate and go to a good college.
We decided to start with the middle school because that's where kids kind of start beginning to think about what they want to do, whether they want to go to college, whether they want to just go straight to work. So we felt like the middle school was the best target audience.
It builds the foundation of our community and makes our community better, gives us a strong economy, and for our teachers to be aware of those job opportunities for our students and maybe to help give them some direction moving on in their future. And that's what it's all about, is helping our kids have a brighter future.